Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Capcut Pro legally, step by step. If you can't access Capcut or you're having download issues in your region, don't worry, I'll guide you through the complete setup. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly show you some of the amazing features of Capcut Pro. With Capcut Pro, you'll get access to premium effects, high-quality transitions, advanced AI tools, exclusive filters, premium fonts, and many other powerful editing features that can make your videos look much more professional. Now let's see how to download and install it. The first step is to connect a VPN if Capcut isn't available in your region. Once your VPN is connected, check the link in the description. I've shared all the required resources there, including my Telegram channel. Open the Telegram channel and follow the download instructions provided there. After downloading the app, install it on your device and complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, open Capcut and you're ready to start editing. That's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Capcut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.